Hey guys, today I'll be showing you a video on how you can 1v1 your friend in CS2. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to want to make sure we go to the settings and make sure that Enable Developer Console is set to yes. Alright, we close it up. And now you want to go into Open the Console, type in map, space, any map you want to pick. In this case, I'll choose DE_Dust2. Now, we wait for the map to load. And that's it. Pick your side and go through the game. Wonderful. Now, in order to make this a multiplayer 1v1 map, we're going to have to kick the bots. So, in order to kick the bots, we're going to type into the console bot_kick. And that removes all the bots. Now you'll see we have an empty map. To make it a multiplayer game, we're going to go to status in the console. And over here, you'll see server running and then your IP address. Copy this number without the brackets. And then send it to your friend. Now, once your friend is in game, you're going to type in connect space IP address. Remove the brackets. It should look something like this. After that, your friend will join the game. And that's about it. At that point, you are the only two in the server. You can also alternatively change some commands to change the server settings, but that's for another video. Thanks for watching, I hope this helped. Please like and subscribe.